is the Weather for Weather Geeks edition that is for the final day of June here in 2021. Halfway through the year, we're going to do a recap of the first half of the year on tomorrow's video. This evening I wanted to focus on what happened today and what's going to happen as we go through the next few days. Wanted to check in first on some of our local rain gauges. Now these are 24-hour totals, so from about 7 p.m. last evening through 7 p.m. this evening. Some of the places that got kind of ripped off yesterday got their fair share of rain before the afternoon was through. So I'm thinking East Liverpool, Calcutta, East Palestine, places like that hardly saw anything at all yesterday. Third of an inch to a half an inch, even 3/4 of an inch worth of rain. Lisbon, down to Calcutta, and again up towards East Palestine as well. Over the last 24 hours here at our downtown studios, we have a rain gauge on the roof, 1.36 inches. Look out towards Canton, where there's been some flooding problems, 2.25 inches out there, and 1 to 2 inch amounts over the last 24 hours, pretty common in Mercer and Lawrence counties. We still have a flood advisory for a little while longer here across extreme northern parts of Mahoning County, southern parts of Trumbull County. This will expire at 7:45 this evening. We had a deluge for a time in Austintown, North Jackson, heading up towards Girard, easily 2 to 3 inches plus worth of rain, and we had lots of problems on the roadways and some road closures as a result of all that rain that we had mid-afternoon with a band that kind of set up over that vicinity. All right, let's actually look at the last 2 hours worth of velocity data here from southeastern Columbiana County. This is where our lone severe thunderstorm warning was late this afternoon. You watch this, and it that ball of wind rolled right across Route 30 and down into East Liverpool and into Chester, West Virginia, and then across the state line into Hookstown and Midland and just south of the Ohio River in parts of Beaver County. We had some tree damage in parts of East Liverpool. In fact, let's bring up the storm reports and I'll show you the readout from that report of damage in the East Liverpool area. Gutter damage, large tree branches down, tree split. This was about 6:05 p.m. Just as we came on the air on 21 News at 6, we had that severe thunderstorm rolling through southeastern Columbiana County. All right, we're in the wind-down phase now. Nothing more than a couple of raindrops out there. Now, there can be a shower here and there tonight, but the severe weather threat is over. The severe thunderstorm watch, which was originally in effect until 8, has been discontinued. Still a couple of severe thunderstorm watches from Boston back through the northern and western suburbs of New York City, Pocono Mountains, central PA, back towards the Allegheny front between Pittsburgh and Altoona. That severe thunderstorm watch is still out. But for us, again, a couple of showers overnight. I can't even rule out a quick rumble of thunder overnight. So we are not done with the raindrops before things start to improve, but we are done with the severe weather threat. Thursday can start out with some showers around. This may be the wettest part of the day, right around sunrise, 5:30, 6:30 in the morning. And then the rest of the day, everything's going to be pretty hit or miss. This sluggish front finally starts eking to the south, and just far enough to the south that I'm not looking for a lot of rain in the afternoon on Thursday. Shower or two, small chance for thunder. Secondary front comes through on Friday, and boy, this is when the air is going to feel different. The dew points will come down. That being said, the atmosphere will still be unstable. There'll be a cold pocket of air aloft, upper-level trough, moving through the region, and as a result, a pop-up shower is going to be a possibility Friday, even though most of the day will be rain-free. That's going to get out of our hair for the weekend, and yesterday I took out Sunday's rain chances. Today we took out Saturday's rain chances, so things are looking up for the weekend. What's looking down? The dew points. Look at that. Whoosh! Here comes the drier air. We love watching animations like this after a long, humid stretch. By Saturday morning, dew points will have settled into the low and mid-50s. So, 4th of July weekend forecast, thumb up. 2 thumbs up, in fact. Saturday, 77. A seasonably warm 83 for the 4th on Sunday. We'll be in good shape for fireworks displays. And then on Monday, after the holiday, some people have Monday off. If you happen to have Monday off, get ready for the heat. It's coming back. 88 in our forecast now for Monday, with an increase in humidity as well. And once the warmth settles in, it's here for a while. So these relatively cooler temperatures for Friday and Saturday won't be around very long. Pretty much a lock at this point that the 8 to 14 day period, starting middle of next week, taking us into the following weekend, will be warmer than the average. Again, tomorrow evening we'll do a little halfway through the year review. We'll talk more about the weekend forecast and start looking at what is in store for the first couple of weeks of July, both temperature-wise and precipitation-wise as well. That's on Weather for Weather Geeks on Thursday. In the meantime, thank you for watching tonight, and have a great rest of your Wednesday.